Just look at exactly what I want here.
Let me see.
Look at.
We have this goat now. We are going to supply you at a very cheap price. Okay. We have the cheapest price in this market. Ask anybody. As is the matter of fact, when they were building the Niger Bridge, we were the one that supplied all the materials they used now. Because they supply very cheap. Hey.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Chikamso, that is my daughter.
Beautiful girl.
How is school today?
The school is fine, no?
And the exam you had today, how was it?
The exam is very simple.
That is my daughter. She is very brilliant too. Very simple. Since the exam is very simple, can you remember any question? Okay, which subject is that to start with?
Hey. Business studies.
Oh, yeah? Business, business studies. So, since you said you are making math that is very simple, can you remember the question that you were asked in the exam?
The difference between shop and warehouse.
Hey, we are brilliant. So, what did you write inside there? Because I know you will pass, like your father. What did you write?
I wrote that shop is in main market and in Kozo is in roundabout.
Did you write my shop address and phone number?
Hey, I forgot though.
You forgot? You did not write it. Do you know what you are going to do now? You will go back to that school and write it. If you go back there, write it.